Hi, I'm Steve Moriarty from TanzaniteJewelryDesigns.com. We're located in Crown Point, Indiana, or of course on the web for you to shop our store. One of the more difficult questions to answer that people often ask is just how do you value a tanzanite? Just like a diamond, tanzanite is valued by the 4 C's, which are color, cut, clarity, and carat weight. They are pretty much the same as in diamond, whereas color is a high value determiner for the price of tanzanite. In the case of tanzanite, it is much to do with the intensity of the color. The deeper the color, generally the higher the price of the stone. Just because it's deeper color doesn't mean that is a better stone. It is just priced higher in the marketplace because many of the colors of tanzanite, from medium colors to deep colors, are very beautiful stones when cut correctly. The other C would be clarity, and clarity affects the price of tanzanite considerably. Many tanzanites are very clean because we have to heat them to 1,000 degrees to get the color that we know is tanzanite. So during the heating process, if you leave inclusions within the stone, the likelihood that those inclusions are going to expand from the heat and cause fractures in the stones is good. So we tend to cut them cleaner than other stones that don't have to be heat treated. Many of the inclusions that you'll see in a stone are caused by the heat treatment, and these will generally be reflective, glassy looking inclusions, and they have a great effect on the value of the stone. You know, a stone that has these heat treatment inclusions that are obvious, you know, the price is half or a third of what the unincluded stone is. There are other types of inclusions, including needles and small crystals in the stones. These have little effect on the value if they're difficult to see. The next of the 4 C's is cutting, and this has a tremendous effect on the value of the stone, and rightfully so. Many of the stones that are cut in India and cut in Tanzania are pretty poorly cut. 2 problems you'll see with cutting is the quality of the finish of each individual facet. You'll see little pock marks in them because they didn't carry the finish out as far as they should have. Or you'll see scratches and wavy lines. These affect the brilliance of the stone and therefore affect the value of the stone. The last of the 4 C's is carat weight. Carat weight has much less effect on tanzanite as it would in another stone like rubies, sapphire, emeralds, and diamonds. Where the 2-carat stone can be triple the value of a 1-carat stone. In the case of tanzanite, it is almost reversed in that a 2 or 3-carat tanzanite can be the highest value per carat as compared to a larger stone. You can buy a 50-carat tanzanite of fine color for the same price or less than the 3-carat stone. This is price per carat. Of course, the 50-carat stone is going to cost more than the 3-carat stone because of its size, but the per carat price can be less. You can spend, let's say, $700 on a really fine 3-carat stone, but a 20-carat stone may only cost you $550 a carat. So it is reverse of what it should be at this time, and that's because there is a great enough supply of the larger stones that the market does not absorb them, so they become very competitively priced. But when tanzanite runs out, this situation is going to totally reverse. And like other stones, the larger stones are going to be of much greater value. So it is a good time to invest in a bigger stone in tanzanite. You can shop us online at TanzaniteJewelryDesigns.com or in Crown Point, Indiana. Thank you.